Locating your TAG Pro M. Once you have your TAG Pro M located, using the two front leveling legs, check to be sure there is weight on each of the legs. Add just a little pressure with a 1/2 inch wrench, check for stability, then using a 3/4 inch wrench, lock the lock nuts to keep your machine stable. Now that you have your TAG Pro M located, let's hook up your electrical and air connections. You can remove the back cover by lifting up and pulling away from the machine. Remove the masking tape that's protecting the hole on the regulator and apply some Teflon tape to your quick fitting. This prevents your threads from getting galled. Using a wrench, finish tightening into place your fitting, and when tight, install the back cover by pushing it forward and letting it slide down onto the slots. Plug in your air line and your air is connected. The electrical connection on the TAG Pro M is 120 volts AC. Simply cut the cable tie and it plugs into any standard outlet. You have an emergency stop, make sure it's released, and a toggle switch, push it over to the left. You'll see your screen start to boot up, it takes about 30 seconds. Single start. And timer modes. Countdown feature you can turn on and off. Touch the number box, enter in the number of pieces, enter, go into auto, and the machine will automatically alert you and stop at the end of its count. Simply reset and turn it off if you wish and continue. Next, we're going to move into the head menu. We have a test print function, and we have multi-print, where you can set the number of strokes you wish to do. You can manually move your pallet into the up or down position for setup. When you're installing the screen, pull the carriage forward and insert the frame. Leave the frame far enough forward so that it clears the squeegee, and lock it into position. Using our front and rear stroke adjustment, we now want our squeegee to start print and end print on the pallet surface. Speed and squeegee pressure affect the stopping point of the print. When you're making squeegee pressure adjustments on the TAG Pro M, be careful not to apply too much squeegee pressure, as this affects the quality of your print. Unlock the two lock knobs, one on the left and one on the right, and using the up and down adjustment knobs, make small adjustments and do test prints to look at your print quality, and then lock your lock knobs to finish. When making flood bar adjustments on the TAG Pro M, point the flood bar towards the screen. Then with one hand under the screen, check to make sure the flood bar does not push through the screen. Using the two lock knobs, release, make your adjustment, check with your hand, and then lock again. Test print, check the print quality.